Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So today's video we are going to see some latest job updates from Cognizant. So we'll be exploring the fresher jobs and all these updates will be work from home because of this COVID situation. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Okay, so we are going to see some fresher updates and here we are going to see in the undergraduate session. So here in this undergraduate session, you can actually find the jobs which are asking very minimum level of experience and also fresher jobs. Okay, mostly fresher jobs you can find here. So this is the career site. I have already selected the location as India. Now we are going to adjust the filter with experience, minimum experience 0. So you'll get 245 openings. Now these are the openings which are coming. Now they are showing the 245 job updates which are given as minimum experience 0. Okay. Now just filter is there is adjust the filter from most relevant to most recent. Okay. Here I have adjusted. Now we can see various posts which are mainly for freshers and they are asking 0 experience as minimum experience, means fresher can apply to all these posts. The first post you can see here is program analyst trainee. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Along with each job description, they have given the date of posting also. So just verify whether the job update is very recent or not before applying. Okay. So I'm going to first see the program analyst trainee Bangalore location job. So this is the job description. Here you can see the save job or apply now. I have actually applied for some of the posts and verified whether you can apply or not. Okay. So here only thing they are saying is you should be having an MS Excel knowledge. Okay, means Microsoft Excel knowledge is the only thing they are asking. This is a full-time employee job and the date of posting is June 3rd. Very, very recent update. Okay. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. If you are studying or if you are a fresher or if you are studying for any course, means BBA, MCA, BCom, any course, you can apply here. Okay. Because they have not given any other things. Just like this, you can also find a lot of program analyst trainee jobs and program analyst jobs also. So here, again, I am going to set it as most recent. Now we can see the program analyst trainee jobs. Second one is for Pune, Maharashtra. Here also I have seen it is only asking MS Excel knowledge. Okay. Then the other post you can see here, program analyst is there. Now let us see a program analyst job. Yeah, program analyst. Here the location is Kolkata, West Bengal is a location and the qualification they're asking is Master of Business Administration, or if you are CA, that is if you are doing CA or if you have completed CA, or consultants with industry experience and certification. Okay. Now the date of posting also you can verify before applying. May 28th, again a very recent update. Okay, so just like this, just adjust the filter and the career sites and before applying, and first filter out all the very recent updates, then only start applying. Otherwise you may be applying to a very old job and then you won't get any response. Okay, so that is actually not the problem of the site, because some jobs, even if it is old, it will be present in the site and you can apply for it, but the job may have already filled. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to first filter out all the recent updates, only then you have to start applying. Okay, so this is one thing you have to always take care of. And another very, very important thing is that if you are interested in doing jobs in these companies, try to go to the official site and then start applying rather than going to any other job site. So in the job site, you can actually find a lot of jobs. They'll be giving like fresher jobs and all, but you can't find these job updates in the official site. Okay, so that is one very important thing you have to take care of. So always go to the company site, official company site, and see the career site and then start applying. Okay, so these are some things you have to do to maximize your chances of getting a response. Okay, at least a response. So this is the next post we are seeing. So you can find actually a lot of jobs. If you adjust the filter as minimum experience 0, you can find a lot of job updates in the Cognizant site. And all these jobs are fresher updates, and they may be asking the experience for that is for different posts. Accordingly, they'll be asking experience. Okay. For the program analyst trainee, they're only asking a skill which is MS Excel knowledge. Okay. So that's all about the job updates from Cognizant. Now talking about the selection process. So the selection process will be consisting of aptitude test, then there will be technical interview, then there will be HR interview. Okay. Now talking about the technical rounds, it will be actually depending on the post for which you are applying. Okay. So that will be the various stages of selection. In order to apply, what you have to do is we'll see that. Okay. So I'm going to apply to this post, which is program analyst trainee. I'm going to apply here. I'm clicking on this apply now icon. This is a privacy notice. Just click on proceed. Okay. So here what you have to do is you have to upload your resume, then personal details, first name, last name, email address, primary contact number. Then click on next. Then give your details of education and all. Then apply. Then submit. Okay. So that is the various steps of application. I've actually applied to some post and I've seen whether it is possible to apply or not. Okay. So you can actually apply to whichever post is favorable for you. Okay. So that's all about the job updates from Cognizant. So that's all about the job updates from Cognizant. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.